Hi, this is Tim and Shana from Punk Rope, and we're here to show you jump rope Tabata workout number 2. Lots of different possibilities, but in this one, Shana's going to blend the skier jump, which is a lateral hop, side to side jumping. That'll be the intense portion for 20 seconds. And then she's going to recover with an alternating footstep or a jog. Sean also likes to swing to the side, which is totally fine. And that'll be for 10 seconds. And then the third interval will be a bell jump, so forward and back. So good for agility, acceleration, deceleration. And then her fourth interval will be alternating footstep. And this is just for illustrative purposes. If you like this workout and you want to try it at home, we'd suggest aiming for maybe 3 to 4 rounds total. That should be a pretty good workout. Shauna's using a 4-ounce punk rope jump rope, or speed rope, but you could substitute a heavier rope, medium weight or heavyweight rope, whatever works for you. The goal here though is consistency, guys. So if you're not at the point where you're able to do this with very few misses, it's probably not a great choice for you because there'd be too much time spent recovering. But you know, 1 or 2 misses per interval should be okay. So I'm just going to hit the timer, and Shauna's going to start now with the ski jump. Okay, so ready, set, and go. So this is 20 seconds. The distance of the jump would be up to you. You're going side to side. Good core activation. There's 10 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. And you're resting. So you're going to rest for 10, which is either alternating feet, swinging, and Shana goes in 2, 1, and bell jump. So this is forward and back. And you are resting. And this is 10 seconds of recovery. 3, 2, 1, and done. Awesome, guys. So that's a Tabata interval blending the skier, the bell, and alternating feet. Lots of other possibilities. We'll show you some more soon. Thanks for joining us.